All right, Bridge to Math 3 years. Here's the purple part of the circle notes. Today we're going to learn about finding segment lengths. The first one is showing the radius of the circle and a second radius of the circle. And the first formula just shows that the radius, no matter which part of the edge of the circle it's measured to, will always be the same length, or the radius equals the radius. The second picture shows two chords intersecting with their point of intersection inside the circle, but not at the center. The formula in words says that if you multiply these two segments, which make up the whole chord PS, it will always be the same product as if you multiply these two segments, which make up the whole chord RQ. In other words, segment PV times segment VS will always have the same product as segment QV times segment RQ. Here, the point of intersection is outside the circle, and if we multiply the length of segment VR times the length of segment VP. Yes, that's VP. All the way from V all the way to P. A lot of students get confused and they try to just use the part that's inside the circle, but it's the outside part, VR, times the whole thing, VP. That product will always equal the outside part, VS, times the whole thing, which is VQ. And then finally, this picture, the point of intersection is outside the circle, and the formula is really the same formula as the last one. The outside part, VR, multiplied times the whole thing from V all the way to P, is going to be equal to the outside part, which this time is VQ, times the whole thing, which is also VQ. And instead of writing VQ times VQ, we just write VQ squared.